So guys, welcome to our channel once again. We have here this one question to answer on the topic metals and their compounds. So guys, this video will be about silver. So in short to state, the end of this video, as it's a very short one. So if you want to answer this question before we provide the answer, you can simply pause this video and try out to see if you can get the answer to the question even before we provide the answer thereafter. So here the question here says, guys, silver is a chemical element with the symbol A, Sr, B, Hu, C, Ar, D, Ag. So guys, the chemical symbol for silver is Ag. And that's the answer to this question, guys. Silver is actually one of the transition metal, and it has an atomic number of 47 with the chemical symbol Ag. So that's it for that question, guys. So this way we'll end this video. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section and we'll ensure to give you a response. So guys, we also want to use this opportunity to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we'll post major updates. So guys, that's it for this video. Thank you once again for watching this video and see you on the next one.